On the cliffs of Arnao in Castrillón, very close to Avilés, a unique chapter in mining history began. In 1591, the discovery of a mysterious black stone gave rise to the first documented coal mine on the Iberian Peninsula. It was not until 1833, with the arrival of the Royal Asturian Mining Company, that Arnao became one of the great driving forces of industrialization. Here, new extraction techniques were tested, and the first vertical shaft in Asturias was sunk, known as the grandfather shaft of Asturian mining. The galleries moved forward beneath the sea, turning Arnao into the only underwater coal mine in Europe, a constant and dangerous relationship with the ocean that shaped its history and eventually led to its closure in 1915. Around the mine, an industrial village grew up, with housing and services for the workers. Today, you can descend into the original galleries and walk through spaces that are over a century old. Come and visit the Arnao Mine.